you know, everybody is entitled to their own opinions. Some people may agree with me. Some people may not agree with me. Some people may, you know, may think that I'm a little ungrateful, but who cares?
Damn wig, and I got my shirt all wet. Lord Jesus. Look, the show must go on. Hello, my beautiful queen. So today's video I am super excited to do because I just got home and long and behold, my package was in front of the door. So you guys know I had to jump on camera real quick to do this unboxing. Now this is going to be another Curlbox unboxing. They did partner up with Ulta Beauty. I never ordered anything from Ulta before, so I'm super excited to see what they put in this box because it's supposed to be like a nice little specialty box or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and we're gonna get straight into the unboxing. So when you open the box, this is how it looks. I love the color of the packaging of this box. They need to start making their boxes more colorful. I like that. Just gonna take everything out. So this is the box. Let's do a thumbnail. $30. Now this box did retail for $30. I did pay $5 for shipping, so it cost a total of $35. Now when Curlbox did send the email, they said that it will be like items from Shea Moisture, Patent Beauty, The Main Choice. So that because of those three brands, that was the reason why I went and purchased this box. So when you open your box, as y'all know, the pamphlet comes in the box. And let's see. You guys gonna be able to see first. I'm gonna show you guys first. I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna show you guys first. Y'all see that? What's in the box, y'all? What's in the box, guys? Y'all see that? What's in the box? Tell me what's in the box. Let's see. Okay, so I like how the paper says Ulta. Okay, let's see what's in the box. So the first thing I'm seeing is the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. That's that. The next item that I see is Designia Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. That's this. Next item I see is Shea Moisture Wig and Weave Tea Tree Borage Seed Oil. Is a scalp soother. Okay. The next item I see is the Patent Beauty Stronghold Gel. And it looks like this. So these two products must be from Main Choice. Off the back, I like the packaging of this because it gives me that comic feel. And this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. And it says it is for all hair types. So I'm going to go do my little notes and I'm going to be back and let you guys know what I think. First product that I'm going to start off with is Shea Moisture. I feel like the way they put their ime, I wasn't expecting this particular item from Shea Moisture. I feel like if they wanted to send anything that was like for protective styling, they should have sent it in that Dark and Lovely box. They should have sent that. They should have just sent this in that Dark and Lovely box. I don't know. I'm trying to be positive, but okay, let's just get into it. Let's get into it. So I got all my notes on my phone. I make all my notes for my Curlbox videos because I don't want to be You know, I don't want these videos to be too long. I like to get to the point, let y'all know what the products do, how many ounces, and all that good jazz. So this item is the Wig and Weave Tea Tree and Seed Oil Scalp Soother. Now this is 2 ounces. It says it alleviates scalp tension and discomfort associated with protective styling. Scalp Soothing Serum, Nourish Formula, infused with tea tree oil, barrage, I believe I'm saying that wrong, seed oil, and aloe vera, helps to moisturize the scalp and provides immediate relief due to tightness. So, if you're someone who does not use protective styling, like if you stick to just twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, wash and goes, I feel maybe you feel like you wouldn't have any use to this. I mean, I'm a wig wearer. I wear weave, so you know my hair is always braided underneath. But for someone for any of the curl friends who just stick to, you know, curl styles, this product is like kind of pointless. Like, for a Shea Moisture product, I feel like they should have just stuck to maybe like a shampoo, a conditioner, a leave-in, a deep conditioner. I feel like they should have never just added this in this box. I feel like I said before, if they wanted to add a protective styling, they should have just added type of product to the Dark and Lovely box. So, am I disappointed about this? Yes, I am, because I did expect another product from Shea Moisture. So, I'm bummed out about that. So, the next item we're going to jump into is the Mixed Chicks, and it says a multicultural revolution. This is the leave-in conditioner. Now, I believe they changed their packaging, because I used to see their leave-in conditioner all the time in Target, and it didn't have all the stuff on it. Now, this leave-in conditioner is 6.7 ounces. I'm kind of bummed out because me and Harmony, we both have low porosity hair. So, we tend to use more products than normal. Probably get about 2, maybe close to 3 uses out of this for both of our hair. So, I'm kind of bummed out about that, especially with the sizing. I feel like this is more like a travel size. Like if we're going on vacation and I would just put this in the bag. So that really sucks. So it says this lightweight proven leave-in conditioner locks moisture into curls, waves, and weaves. Another item used for weaves. It said it works on many hair textures and extensions, synthetic or human hair. Oh, as y'all heard, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's a versatile product. You can use it on your natural hair as well as wigs and weaves. Y'all, I see this all the time in Target. I could have just picked this up. It's a no for me. This product is a no for me. I'm not happy that it's in this box. It's just a no for me. So I'm going to save the last 3 good items for last. The next item I'm going to get into is the Designing Essentials Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. Now this is a 20-ounce jar. I'm familiar with Designing Essentials products because I use their products a lot in cosmetology school. I was actually about to pick this product up the other day in Target, and I also did see it in Marshall's. So I feel like they could have did better. They could have did better with these 3 products. They could have just added something better in this box. I feel like the only good thing so far that I see in this box is the Patent Beauty and the Main Choice stuff. I feel like for $30, it's not really worth it because it's not what I expected it to be. This is a highly penetrating moisture treatment infused with the nourishing properties of almond and avocado to strengthen and smooth the hair. It reduces breakage and makes wash day detangling a breeze. So I'm going to open this to see how it actually smells. Ooh. It do have a strong scent to it. It looks very creamy, and I believe I have the shampoo to this. If I do have the shampoo, I will do a review on it. I'll try and find a conditioner. If it is from the same line, the almond and avocado line, I'll make sure to do a review. But if it's not, then I'll make sure to find like a conditioner, and I'll see how this goes. But it do smell really good. You know, the product is full, so that is a plus. So I'm going to see how this works for me and Harmony here. Next item we have, like I said, this is the Patent Beauty Long Hold Gel, and it's in 15 ounces. Now, I'm excited that I got this because I did watch my girl Shea. If you watching, hey girl, hey. I did watch her video, and she actually used the My Black is Beautiful collection, and she did do a review. But if you watch my video, you will see that it was 2 conditioners that came in that particular box. No type of stylers came in the box. So she did use, I can't remember exactly which products she used from the Patent Beauty collection. It really worked well with the My Black is Beautiful collection. So I'm super excited to see if this is going to actually work with those products. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see how it smells. I like how it have the lid on it. The way it smells, it reminds me, it reminds me of them old school gels. I mean, it don't have a strong smell to it at all. It's like a real faint smell. So I can't wait to try this product out and see how it works. So it says it provides a long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Infused with sea moss, ooh, that's great, aloe vera, and chai seeds to nourish and fortify curls. It also says the gel texture has built-in slip to easily distribute through the hair. It's also ideal for a sleek look of your choice, and also for styles that need that extra hold. So we're going to see how this turns out. And last but not least, we have the Main Choice Pal shampoo and conditioner. Both of these products are 8 fluid ounces. So I'm going to jump into the shampoo first. So I like what PAL stands for. It stands for Products Obsessively Working. That's really creative and unique and different. So it says shampoo gets rid of buildup and impurities. This creamy formula preps hair for conditioning and styling. It cleanses hair without stripping. It seals cuticles for definition and shine. Now, the conditioner is super slippery and packed with ingredients to both seal and condition and leave hair moisturized, as well as manageable and extra shiny. It makes detangling easier as well as provides lasting moisture. So, my overall thoughts. Of this box. Do I think it was worth it or not? I honestly feel like Curlbox hyped up this box. I feel like it could have been a little bit more better products in this box, because 3 of these products I could just automatically find in Target or Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I don't know. Like I said, when you hear Shea Moisture, I'm not thinking of getting no little soothing scalp serum. I want to get a shampoo, a conditioner, I'd rather a deep conditioner. Y'all know how expensive Shea Moisture products are. Like, give me something like that. I don't want no soothing serum. I don't want that. I got that already. Like, we don't want that. We don't want that. Well, I can't speak for everybody. I don't want that. I know I didn't want it. I don't want it. I mean, I need a redo. Like, I need a redo. Can I just send these 3 products, and Curlbox Ulta Beauty, y'all just send me back something else, because it wasn't for me. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. I am excited to be trying the Main Choice in the Patent Beauty products, but I wanted something that's gonna be like, oh my god, oh my god. I'm super excited to try it. And I only got, oh my god, I'm super excited. It's only 3 products out of 6. So that's kind of like a bummer. Like, I don't know. I feel like this box was hyped up. I feel like the box is a hit and miss. Now, I want to put a disclaimer out there.
You know, everybody is entitled to their own opinions. Some people may agree with me. Some people may not agree with me. Some people may, may think that I'm a little ungrateful, but who cares?
Let me know down below in the comment section if you got this box. What are your thoughts about this box? I feel like they should have added something different, or something like some Mayo Organics, some I don't know, something else besides Designing Essentials and Mixed Chicks and this little item they put in for Shea Moisture. They could have added something else. Like, come on. But y'all, that's all I have for today. If you enjoy unboxing videos like this and you want to see more of my Curlbox videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that like button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you ladies can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.